How are we going to figure out which one is the mountain bus?
Follow the blue bow.
What's so special about a blue bow?
That's not just blue, that's cerulean with eucalypt highlights. And notice the gumnut earrings. She's got Blue Mountains couture all over her.
Wow, Nigel, that's incredible.
Let's go.
We're on the wrong bus!
I've got an idea.
We lost Pretty Boy.
Oh, gee, what a shame.